What's poppin', you guys? It's been a hot minute since I've been on YouTube. I apologize. But now that I got my little lighting situated and you know, I'm feeling better and I'm back to business. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I do have an eyebrow tutorial coming for you guys. And don't mind my little baby in the background messing up my room. He's supposed to be watching Cars, but you know how that goes. Start doing the get ready with me, I guess, because I haven't done one of these in a while and I like these videos. I like watching them. And I was gonna film how I did my little baby hairs for y'all, but of course I had to charge my battery because it was about to die, like always. But that will definitely be a video for you guys coming soon as well, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I guess that's my pizza roll. Okay, so I'm back and I got my pizza rolls with ranch and hot sauce. Anyways, while I'm eating these, I'm just gonna get ready with y'all. And I don't really know what I'm doing today with my makeup, but the color is not completely for me for the Fenty shade because this is like my summer shade and it's not quite summer just yet, and I'm still a little pale, so we're gonna mix these two together. Because you don't want too much foundation on your face. You don't want to look like a motherfucking cupcake. I mean, you can look like a cupcake. You can look like a snack, but you don't want to look like a Essential foundation brush, guys. Okay, you see what I mean? Like, it's so yellow. What am I doing? Y'all know the Fenty foundation dries so fucking fast. Let me start blending this shit. I was using the Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes, which the coverage is amazing, you guys. But I found that concealer, no matter how much I bake, no matter how much powder I put on, it would still crease on me. It would crease under my eyes. If anything, I'm gonna have to go back to my MAC Pro Longwear.